Okay, next one we look at example 11. The dielectric of a parallel plate capacitor is to be constructed from Teflon that completely fills the volume between the plates. The area of each plate is 0.5 meter square and the dielectric constant for Teflon is 2.1. So what is the thickness of the Teflon if the capacitance is 0.1 microfarad here? Okay, so we have we have a capacitor here. So this capacitor is inserted in between adalah dielectric. So diletak dekat tengah ni adalah dielectric. So this dielectric is the Teflon. So this Teflon, this Teflon has an area of 0.5 meter square and then dielectric constant is 2.1. And then this capacitor here has a capacitance of 0.1 microfarad. So now we want to find the thickness of the Teflon. So maksudnya dekat sini thickness, this thickness is the same width. So let me remove this. Wait. Maksudnya dekat sini thickness of the Teflon is actually the same width the distance between the two plates because they completely fills the volume between the plates. So now we want to find is actually the value for D. Okay, so C, using the formula of C is equal to epsilon A divided by D, and then epsilon dekat sini adalah dia tidak sama dengan ER. Okay, epsilon, this one is the permittivity of dielectric, and this one here adalah dielectric constant. So we need to find this one first, meaning that here using the formula of epsilon R is equal to epsilon divided by epsilon naught. So we can find this value here. So epsilon R is the dielectric constant 2.1. So the epsilon, which is the permittivity of dielectric, divided by E naught dekat sini adalah permittivity of free space, which is constant value at 0.85 exponent negative 12. So the epsilon will be equal to 1.86 exponent negative 11. Okay, dia punya unit adalah C square, coulomb square per Newton per meter square. So now barulah kita boleh cari the value for D. Okay, using this formula, C adalah 0.1 exponent negative 6 equal to 1.86 exponent 11 negative 11, and then the area is 0.5 divided by the value for D. So distance will be equal to 9.3 exponent negative 5 meter. Okay, that will be the answer for question A. Okay, now question B. Calculate the charge on the capacitor if it is connected to 12 volt. So we want to find the charge. This one very straightforward. Want to find the Q. So Q will be equal to CV. C kita sudah dapat. Kita sudah dibagi, which is 0.1 exponent negative 6, and then voltage dia bagi tadi, which is 12 volt. So darab dengan 12, and then we get the charge will be equal to 1.2 exponent negative 5. Okay, 1.2 exponent negative 6 coulomb. Okay, so that will be the solution for example 11. Thank you.